Hello guys, Mike Mohebi here. Good morning. Well, good morning to Australians. Now is 20th of July, 4:30 a.m. It's 19th of July, 2:30 p.m. in New York and 6:30 p.m. in London. So London market is closed. New York market is about to close. So we can analyze these charts. Now the market is almost gonna be flat. As you can see, yesterday the market moved a lot. The Euro USD had a very good move upward, but today just like it moved back again. If you remember, we had a pending trade here and it took our position and we're in now. It moved a very good up there and then it's coming back now, so I just keep my stop here. Let's see what happens. Maybe it just moves down a little bit, I don't know. So let me just draw some lines here. If it goes back, probably it's gonna test this line. Let's say this line, and then maybe it goes up. But yeah, we have to wait and see. We have a position here. If you don't have any position, when it comes back to this resistance level, yeah, it's gonna act as a support. So this is a very long time support, so it's very strong. Maybe it's just like it picked through this level and it's gonna break down. We don't know. We wait and see. If you get a signal here like a pin bar or anything, we can enter again. We can open a buy position, but if it just like broke down and going down, broke this channel, we can just like, yeah, close these positions and enter as a sell in a downward movement. But from now we just wait and yeah, let's see what happens in the next couple of days and at the end of the week. So currently at the moment we don't do anything in Euro USD. So let me extend this channel up level. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. So either it's gonna go down or it's gonna go up. We just have to wait and let's see what the price does, and then we get a action there. Let's go to usdjpy. Let me delete these. Well, if you remember the first analysis of usdjpy that we did like 2 weeks ago, if you haven't watched that, let's go back and watch. The market was up here and it just formed these pin bars up there. So as you can see, this is the market. This is a kind of a currency pair that just goes up and then very drastic move goes down and then it goes up again. So we said that according to this kind of movement, if this happens, we have a very strong resistance up here. We have a very good support down here. So probably it's gonna come and touch this one. That's what we expected. So now the market is exactly doing what we expected. It's going down. We had a position here, but it hit our target, and yeah, we are out of this currency pair. Let me show you. This is the USDJPY position that we had. Our target was 111.78. If you drag this position into this chart, it shows you where it was and where it closed. So I put it in a bar chart. It shows exactly. So we opened the position here and we drove this position, this trade down here. We had 146 pips profit. So we got stopped out. So we're not in this trade anymore. I probably should have put my target down somewhere close here or under this level, and then I do that avalanche trading, adding to this position again and again. But yeah, I didn't expect that it's gonna move that fast down there. and we got stopped out. Yeah, so yeah, it was a good move and we like have $166 profit in this, and I had a small position, just 1 mini lot. You know, if you can put a like one lot, this gonna be $1,600, which was very good. Like 2-3 days you have like a 1,600. That's gonna be enough for many of you, you know. Okay, let's see other positions. We got stopped out on some other positions as well. See, oil we just had it took our stop loss. If you remember, we drew this Fibonacci and we said that we hopefully it's gonna go our way, but it seems that the oil is gonna go up. So yeah, let me zoom in a little bit. We had a position down here and we thought that okay, it hit top, it's gonna go down, but yeah, it just like a retracement and it's going up now. So it took our position, it took the stop loss, and it's like a 54 pips. Yeah, we lost this trade actually, but that's okay. That because we had a pin bar here, I thought that all right, it's gonna go down, but no, it's going up now. So it was, you know, you have a down here, a low, and you have a higher low here. This shows that the market's gonna go up. Okay, this is a sign that the market expects that this oil gonna be higher in the near future. So you can put the trade up here, you know, close to this level, and this is gonna go higher. How far it's gonna go? Let's see what happens. Well, we have a resistance like that and a support like that. This is the channel that we're the price is fluctuating in these days. Okay, so probably it's gonna go up here. There is no resistance close to this level, so we hope if you enter here, you're gonna have a room for profit, probably around, let's say 170 pips. You can put your target at 120 pips. So let me draw these channels. We're gonna keep these lines for the future analysis. Okay, this is what we have at the moment. Let me, oh, sorry, clean these objects. I cleaned all of them. Okay, this is the channel. Yeah, and we draw a new Fibonacci, as I said, from the last high to the last low. Okay, this is the last high, this is the last low. So if you enter here, you're gonna have a little bit of probably resistance. Normally, if the price is very strong and the move is very strong, the push, the power, the force behind this move, if it's too strong, it's gonna break through this with no problem. But if it's not that strong, it's gonna have a little bit of a fluctuation here. So if it breaks this level, we can put our target in 161, or if it breaks this channel, gonna be at 261. So I put a new pending order close to 47.40. okay, it's a buy stop. 47.40. yeah, and our target's gonna be close to this 49.40. take profit 49.40, and our stop loss gonna be at the bottom of this line, 45.80. 45.80. So we put this position, it's reward to risk more than 1-1. a little bit. Yeah, so we wait for the next couple of days to see if this trade is gonna activate it or not. The next position that we had was in silver. As you can see, well, we had two positions in silver, right? XAU, no, it was gold, sorry. This gold, we got it stopped out on one with this profit. Let me see where it was. So our first position was here. This is the second position that we added, and our target was very low, so we got it stopped out at 161. It reached there. But the second one, this is not activated, huh? It was a buy limit. This is the, yeah, this is not activated. We hope that it's gonna go back and then goes up, but it didn't. It just continued the move. So this position, we can just delete it. There's nothing there. This is gonna, again, this is the same as oil, you know, has down move here, we have another up move there, and then have a down move here. And then this is gonna be probably another up move. That's what we expect. If you didn't open any position here in this for gold, probably you can enter close to this area. It's gonna be a little bit of a problem here, a little bit of fluctuations. This is close to this resistance line, which is almost close to there, right? You see a little bit of problem here, down here, and up there. So it's gonna be a little bit of stop here. If you get a good signal, you can enter and just ride this move upward. It's a very good channel. Let me draw this channel. This is the top level that we have, and this was the down level. So this broke this channel. This is a kind of a, well, it looks like a triangle, big, but yeah, in the long term probably we have a stop here and we're gonna have a downward move, maybe, because this broke this channel down. It's going back. It's gonna touch this channel. This trend line is gonna act as a kind of a resistance, and maybe it goes down again. So we don't know yet what's gonna happen. So I think even we're gonna have a downward move, maybe. So we put a sign, a question sign here. So we wait. This don't enter now at the moment. It's on too many confluences here for a stop. There's not a good time to enter the market than to enter in gold. Okay, let's look at the next position that we had. So it's USDJPY, and we had a $73 profit. Let's take a look at USDJPY. Yes, we got it stopped out here. This is the second position, I think, in USDJPY that we had. Yes, if you can see, this is the second position, and we drove this down here. Okay, 64.5 pips and $74 down here. So we had two positions in USDJPY, one about 4 or 5 days ago, the other one about yesterday. So we got it stopped out, and the two positions overall, $73 here, the other one $166 here. So it's gonna be like a $240. Not bad. Again, if this was like a one lot, if you were in a good, if you have a good account, good amount of money, and you put one lot, it's gonna be like a $2,400 profit in like 4 days. All right, now let's go to audjpy. This is the best currency pair probably among all the currency pairs that we have at the moment. This sharp move is like $700, 700 pips, and you could see every time it comes here, it has a stop. It has a little bit of retracement, goes up, little bit of retracement, goes up. You could have like every time that it breaks these resistances, these small fluctuations, it comes back from the retracement. You could enter another one, another trade. Again here, you could enter another one. So you could have 3 trades and ride all of them up to this position up here, and you have like a huge amount of profit. That's what I like to do. This is my ideal trading. Look, I enter a very small amount at the bottom, and then I add another one. So at the end, we're gonna have a huge profit. But yeah, we're not in this currency pair at the moment. So yeah, this was my analysis for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so you get notified as soon as I upload a video, so you can enter the trades with me. This is a live trading sessions, you know. Whatever trade I take, you can follow me and take the trade if you like. And yeah, we're gonna have a very nice profits, I'm pretty sure, in the near future. So just follow my videos. I have like Facebook channels. Go to my Facebook page, subscribe there. I put the link in the description for all of that. I have Twitter account, so those are like, I update like 10 times a day. I put many articles, many tips and tricks about the technical analysis. So just subscribe to my channel, follow me on YouTube, on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. And yeah, if you like my analysis, please give me a thumbs up to this video, like my videos. It helps a lot to spread the word, so people who don't know how to do this technical analysis and like to trade Forex, they can find me. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna have a very good community here, and we can help a lot of people. Thanks so much, and have a nice time.